to think that I'm a reasonable guy. But I can't stand it when people add me to groups on Facebook without my permission. I mean, they don't know my life. Seems like I'm leaving a group that I didn't even join like every other day. Then my goofball of a neighbor decides to add me to a group called We Love Pigeons. Who does that? So now I get a ton of posts about pigeons all in my news feed. I mean, what's so special about pigeons? When I think of pigeons, I think of pigeon poop. What the hell?
Hey, neighbor.
What are you doing?
I was coming over to see why I left the group. We're 1,000 members. Now it's 999. I think you get a prize or something if you reach 1,000 members.
You are crazy.
Who doesn't love pigeons? So you hate animals?
Oh, so now I'm an ass who hates animals? Just because I chose to leave this stupid group? Next time, please, send me a suggestion.
Jerk. Boy, I'm so gonna update my Facebook status and post in the group. Derek will know I'm talking about him indirectly. You know what? I'm not scared. I'm gonna tag him in it. Yeah. What should I say? People who don't like pigeons are stupid. Too juvenile. I know. I did have 1,000 members until someone left the group. Feeling betrayed.
Crazy, man. Betrayed Eve.
I am so gonna update my Facebook status.
Stop. Cut. I'm sorry.
Jerk.
Cut. Stop. Sorry. Cut.
Jerk.
Oh man.